that $20 wash.
Right.
That's how you know what you get. And you know that's the one we get.
All right. I'm doing it live on GoPro right now.
Oh yeah, man. Like I say, I enjoy it. You know what I'm saying? This is exactly what I do.
And where we at right now?
We are at Zips Car Wash-Kannapolis, North Carolina, on Highway 29.
And what's the best deal you can get? What's it called?
We got the protected deal, and it's $20. You know what I'm saying? If you ain't a member, but you might as well go ahead and get that yearly card.
And what's the card look like?
That yearly card is the Susan G. Coleman card. Yeah, that right there. You know what I'm saying? If you get you one of these, it's a multiple card pass. When I say multiple card pass, you can literally pass it to everybody you know, and they gonna get the best wash, our $20 wash for $6. Man, you might as well go and sign up and get you one. This is the best way to go.
For a year.
For a year. If you'd have called us during the promotion, this card would have been $64. It would have been $32.09 after tax.
All
promotion
right.
just ended yesterday. So if you'd have called me a couple hours ago, I'd have been able to save you a whole lot more money.
All right then. So we're ready to try this car wash out.
All right.
All right. Thanks, man.
I'm asking. And you get the wax and everything.
Yeah. I'm on camera now.
Come over here more, he said. This way.
I got it.
Why don't you let me help the camera?
Yeah. I hold it up close to the windshield.
He went out. Is that okay?
Google Maps and you'll see that video.
All right. Appreciate it, brother.
All right, bye-bye.